I'm Joharko. I'm a Feng Shui consultant from Indonesia. So many times when I'm doing the Feng Shui consultation for my client, I find that there are things that we cannot do in Feng Shui, such as the radiation. So I try to find from the internet that what are the things that we can deal with to help to deal with the radiation things. And what I find is one of them is geovital. So I attend the 3-day course here in Australia. After the course, I find that, well, this is the right path, this is the right products, the right services to go. A lot of things that I can help my clients in Indonesia to deal with the radiation and to try to improve the health of the clients in Indonesia.